Welcome back to Lisanna Does Things. I'm so happy to have you here. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button. On this channel, this is when I cover everything glam and fabulous, from DIYs to skincare routines and product reviews, including fashion hauls like this one. So if these are things that you're interested, please go ahead and subscribe to Lisanna Does Things and become another doll and join the doll collection. In today's video, I'm going to show you my mini Live Fabulous haul that I did back for their Black Friday sale, I think. I'm pretty sure that's when it was. If I'm wrong, I'll let you know down here. But it's so cute. I only got a couple of items. I didn't need a lot when I bought from them, but I just wanted to show you all the things that I got. It's so cute, and I'm really happy with the purchase. This is probably like my third or fourth time ordering from them, and this is like a really true to size store, and what you see in the picture is really what you're getting, and the quality of the material is really good. So go ahead and see what I try on. It's going to be a super quick video, so I hope you stay for the ride. I love this Yves Saint Laurent shirt because it's like a long sleeve, and I got it in a size large. I wanted it to fit extra big and baggy, and it's just so cute and comfy, and I can wear it anything. I like to wear it with leggings at home, or when I have to go grocery shopping. I've worn it already like 3 times since I got it, and I just love it, so I'll be buying more. This is super cozy, and not only is it like super warm, but it's pretty thick, and on the inside you have like this cotton material, like this really soft cotton material. Don't mind my nails, I'm getting them done tomorrow, I promise. And it's really nice. I love it. It's really soft and warm, and it comes in this like nice mauve color. This is my absolute favorite color over the last year. I usually like pinks and light purples, but this year this is what I'm feeling, and it's super cute and soft. Oh, and this goes like pretty down low, like up to here, like halfway down my thigh, but it's cute. The last mauve sweater that I had, I got in a medium because it's already oversized, but this I wanted to fit nice and cozy, and I got this in a large. I like it. It's distressed, so it's supposed to look like this. It's not in warm and soft as the other one. This is the material that it comes in, but it's really comfortable, so I'm not complaining. It comes with a nice, cute little hoodie, and the strings down here. Let me fix my hair. But it's cute. I love it. It's comfortable. And then when I made my purchase, I got a free item. So I had put in that I wanted jeans, but they sent me these like soft biker shorts instead. So I'm not complaining. They're like nice to go to sleep in and walk around the house. I wouldn't wear these out because they're kind of like, let me see if I can show you. Oh, this is probably not a good idea. Like really soft knit material, and it feels really soft and cozy. Like I just love like laying on the couch and watching a good movie in it, and it's so cozy. I love it. This was a cute little dress that I saw that I thought I should get. It has a cute little sleeve and a cute little pocket. I probably should have filmed this video before I ate because now I feel like super stuffed, but it's really nice. I love it. Can't wait to use it in the summer. Maybe if I plan a trip to the Caribbean, who knows. But it's really nice. Has a cute little pocket. Not see-through at all, so I'm loving it. Pretty good quality for what I paid for. This next outfit that I'm going to show you is my hubby's favorite. I literally put it on walking around the house, and he like could not stop looking at me. So thank you so much, Live Fabulously. This one's a winner. So it's a cute little button-down romper, and you have the buttons here, and it's really nice and smooth. This definitely goes down if you pull it down, but usually when you're walking, it rides up your booty. So it's nice, it's cozy. I love wearing it around the house. I don't know if I can wear this outside. Definitely not my style outside, but it's nice to wear when you kind of want to like just, it's just nice to wear, so I like it a lot. And the hubby does too. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and join the doll collection. I'll be posting more content weekly, so we never miss a beat. Go ahead and click on one of my other videos to keep watching.